In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a seated lateral raise on a bench. So the whole point of this exercise when we start to do lateral raises on a bench is to bring the bench up as vertical as it can be, so put it up to the max setting of how high it can go. And from that position, if you've got a bench like mine where it doesn't go completely vertical, what you're probably going to prefer is placing your feet hip width apart, coming into a position where your lower back, mid back and upper back is in contact with the bench, but you might be a little bit more comfortable having your head off of the bench. So you'll notice I've got the whole of my spine apart from my neck on the bench in this tutorial. Now you might see people in the gym do lateral raises where they use a little bit of momentum from the back. The whole point of this exercise is we can take out some of that momentum pretty much entirely because we've got the back in contact with the bench. If we start to use the lower back, you'll notice that it won't be in contact with the bench. So firstly, you're going to pick up your weights, pop them on your knees, and from the first position, I want you to then place them by your sides. Now, before you start just raising up and coming away from the body with the dumbbells, I want you to try and pinch your shoulder blades back, and from this position, keep the shoulder blades pinched back as you come up and back down. My elbows have a slight bend in them, so I've not got completely straight arms. I've got what's called a soft elbow doing this exercise. So as opposed to me having my arm completely rigid, I've got a very soft bend at the elbow when I do my repetitions. So what we're going to do is pinch the shoulders back. From here, I'm looking forwards, bringing the dumbbells up so the dumbbells are in line with my shoulders, slowly controlling the lowering phase and coming back up, slowly controlling the lowering phase. That's how to do lateral raises in a seated position, which you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and reps.